Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Celestial Crypto channel. This is your spaceman Astrodon speaking. Let's look at some of today's headlines. We have Elon Musk, Tesla, and Spacex hit with Dogecoin lawsuit. Novograts warn economy will collapse. 5 state security regulators investigates into Celsius network. And Celsius CEO sends tweet after 3 days of silence. But before we get to these, if you could hit that like, share, and subscribe button, that will help this channel greatly, providing you daily news content about crypto and the financial market. So let's go ahead and take a look at the market's overview. Okay, guys. Well, after a let me get this. I need to get your window up for now. Sorry about that. But it looks like after a temporary relief in the market, as people tend to take some time to digest the news of the 75 basis points increase in interest rates announced yesterday, fear is setting back, unfortunately, in the equity markets. The Feds remained hawkish, and the hint that another 75 basis point will be added next month added to the fear, and today's market took a big hit. As you can see from the Dow Jones, we are down 2.42% or 741 points, closing at 29,927. So we opened up in the 30s and now we're down at the 29. So yesterday's announcement only did a slight relief in the market before having it go back down. Looking at the S&P, also down 3.25% or 123 points, closing at 3,666 points. And also NASDAQ down 4%, losing 453 points, closing at 10,646 points. So that is the equities market. Crypto didn't do so well either. A lot of the gains from yesterday was pretty much wiped out. Bitcoin and Ethereum also struggled today as analysts hoped for a bounce. Looking at the Bitcoin chart, from a low of $20,111 on Wednesday morning, BTC rose more than 12% yesterday, closing at 23,000 before, well, not closing, but ending the day at 23,000. But then all the gains were lost, as you can see here. Right now, currently, Bitcoin is at 20,969, which is down 3.1% from the past 24 hours. Similar story for Ethereum. Ethereum is down 7% today, currently trading around $1,100. Looking at the chart here, earlier it was around 1,100, climbed up a little bit, 1,200, but now it is down to about $1,100. Let's look at the total market cap of crypto, if it made it up to $1 trillion, which I doubt it. Down 4.8% total, 934 billion, so we didn't hit that trillion, unfortunately. So still got a long ways to go. Crypto also a lot of sell-offs today, unfortunately. Okay, so let's go ahead and now take a look at some of the headline news. So, as you can see, Elon Musk, Tesla, and Spacex hit with a $658 billion Dogecoin lawsuit. An American citizen, Keith Johnson, is suing Elon and his two companies for allegedly pumping Dogecoin. The lawsuit alleges that Musk was part of a racketeering scheme to back the cryptocurrency. Johnson claims that defendants falsely and deceptively claim that Dogecoin is a legitimate investment when it has no value at all. Johnson is seeking a class action status for the suit and aims to represent others allegedly harmed investors. Johnson wants to represent people who lost money trading the asset. He is asking for $86 billion in damages, along with triple damages of $172 billion. He is also asking for an order blocking Musk and his companies from promoting Dogecoin, and that Dogecoin trading constitutes gambling under U.S. and New York law. So let's go ahead and take a look at Dogecoin today. Dogecoin was originally designed in 2013 as a joke or meme coin to poke fun at Bitcoin, but has gained huge popularity from Elon Musk posting memes about it on Twitter. It is still the 11th biggest digital asset with a market cap of $7.5 billion. At one point, it was as high as $88 billion. So if you look at it today, it is trading around 5 cents. But I believe the all-time high, it went as high close to $1, I believe. So yeah. What do you guys think about this lawsuit? You think it's a frivolous lawsuit? You think that Mr. Johnson has any merit? Comment below. Next piece of news, we have Mr. Novograts. Novograts is commenting on the economy. Pretty much the CEO of Galaxy Digital expects the U.S. economy to see a dramatic downturn as the Feds tighten monetary policy amid a bursting bubble. Novograts highlighted the market is cooling fast and retail inventories are mounting. While he didn't give an exact timeline on when a recession could hit, he suggests that the Fed won't be able to prevent one with policy maneuvers. Regarding Bitcoin, he is cautiously optimistic that Bitcoin will play a key role in recovery from the current downturn. Novograts expect Bitcoin to lead a new rally once the Feds reconsider its latest decision to hike interest rates. Quoting Novograts, quote, Bitcoin will lead the market back out of this Fed hike. The moment the Fed flinches, you're going to see Bitcoin explode north, end quote. Novograts said in a recent interview with CNBC. So do you guys really think, do you guys agree with Novograts on Bitcoin leading the way out of the Fed's hike? Comment below. Next piece of news, more problems with Celsius. 5 states, Texas, Alabama, Kentucky, New Jersey, and Washington, are making it a priority to investigate the crypto lender Celsius network over its decision to suspend customer withdrawals this week. To this day, customers are still unable to withdraw their funds from the crypto lender. With the rise of inflation and economic turmoil we've seen the past few weeks, it's important that customers, especially retail investors, have the options to withdraw their funds from the platform. Celsius recently issued a statement that they are still working on the problem and are working day and night to fix it. Yesterday, the CEO broke his silence after being quiet for 3 days since the announcement was made. What did the CEO say? Well, the CEO, Alex Mashinsky, took to Twitter yesterday afternoon to assure the Celsius community that the company team is working non-stop on the issue and to continue to ask for customers' patience. Unfortunately, he gave no answer as to when he aims to expect to have Celsius resume operations. Many ask what really caused all this problem with Celsius? Well, it's had mainly to do with STETH. STETH, which is locked Ethereum on the ETH 2.0 beacon chain, is meant to be pegged to ETH's value. For this reason, STETH is often used as collateral on platforms like Celsius. However, as the crypto market turned bearish, STETH lost its peg to heavily fluctuating ETH pricing. For customers to withdraw ETH, Celsius would sell off its STETH stores. If a large number of customers concerned about the recent depegging move to withdraw, Celsius would be forced to sell off a massive portion of its 472 million STETH supply. That would further lower STETH price and leave the company with insufficient liquidity to cover its ETH obligation to customers. The situation seemed to have taken Celsius leadership completely by surprise, and it remains unclear when and if a plan to remedy it will be made publicly. As of today, funds are still locked, and more regulatory eyes are watching them. Probably will open an active investigation as well. So we will see what will happen to Celsius or network, but it's not looking so good for them. So guys, that was pretty much all the big news for today. Like always, thank you for watching. If you could like, share, and subscribe this video, that will help us a lot. Thank you for watching the video if you made it all the way through. And until tomorrow, we shall see you next time.